So I was finishing the annual on my Piper Warrior there, and it was called out that I needed some placards for my tanks for the wings, right? So I kind of made the conscious decision to do some research, and actually, I've done quite a bit of research in the past with trying to find placards for the inside, but I never really thought about the outside, right? So this gave me the opportunity to really kind of light a fire and figure out the best place or one of the best places that I could find these placard things. So a group called Arrow 4 Graphics. I'm not affiliated or anything like that. I just thought that this was some really good work that they did. Made these placards, and they have a website, arrow4graphics.com, and it just the quality of these things are absolutely amazing. Like I said, I used them for my fuel tanks to show the capacity of the fuel tanks and then also what type of fuel would go into them. And I try to figure out the best place to place them. Originally, I was going to put them underneath the avgas label that I already had on the wing. And as you can see, that's just like a vinyl avgas lettering on there, I guess. But this kind of takes it up quite a few notches there. It's the little paper that I got that you saw just a second ago says all of this stuff about mylar substrates and high tech, high temperature adhesive, blah blah blah. But the down and gritty with these things are probably just the best like stickers, placards, whatever you want to call it that I've found. I was trying to make my own, hence the like thrifty angle on that. But everything that I tried just really didn't work too well. Either the adhesive back would not last, or if you use a thermal printer, that didn't work out. I tried numerous things to try to make my own placards. At minimum, I mean, within spec, you would just use a little, whatever those little machines are to print out the label makers, I guess you would call them. But I wanted to make it look a little bit more professional, so I went ahead, and now's the time to make the decision. Do you want to look something that looks professional, that'll last a long time, that won't fade and get jacked up, or do you want to spend the money and make it look right? And these stickers or placards or whatever you call them really seem to be the best choice. The ones inside were made of I don't know, it was made of a slightly different material. It's like a plasticky type feel, which is pretty awesome. They've got some heft and weight to them. And it seems like they're going to stick in the plane pretty much forever. Best thing, of course, to do with any of this is to make sure to take your time, which, as you can see, I, didn't. But it still looked pretty good. But yeah, clean the surfaces, like interior surfaces, off with a little bit of alcohol. That helps a lot. It gets rid of the any wax, or if you use any type of like Arm & Hammer, or not Arm & Hammer, the stuff to clean your dash with. It leaves that residue, and these things won't stick very well. So just a little bit of alcohol works pretty well. But yeah, I am super thrilled about being able to use these little sticker placard things to make the interior of my plane look pretty nifty. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy one of the kits for this, for this plane rather. The kit for this entire plane, like the interior kit, I'm looking on the website and it's ranging about $90, which isn't cheap, but for all of the stickers that come with it and the quality, I mean, it's amazing. It really is. I looked at all of the other ones from all the other popular sites, but these seem to be the best quality, and it looks like he or she stated on their website that they can do custom stuff too. So If you have a Piper, I know that it's out there, arrow4graphics.com, not affiliated. And if you need something custom, apparently they can do it. So that's pretty much all I got. Stay thrifty, stay safe. Talk to you soon.